Well, hello guys, and you've just come back from the beach, and now we're heading back to our accommodation. 113, the room is, I believe. So, we're gonna head back there. I will film the skyline a bit later, so remember to be tuning in for that if you've never seen the Butlins skyliner. Just some of the apartments here, they're similar to ours. Bins. So, yeah, it's a very good place to come, Butlins. I would advise making a trip down there. Fisherman's Cove. Exactly. What would we do without me? Without the shaky earthquake? It's been such a bad place on YouTube, haven't we? Here we are. Hey, I know you guys are interested in looking at this room. Oh, so this is, they're almost like flats. So, ooh. There we are. I'll be honest. Okay. Oh, God. Yeah, okay, right. Oh. Excuse me, Dad. I'm gonna change my shoes and socks before I go. Oh, this is torture. This is. I'm just getting my shoes on. So. Oh, back in this, back in the room. Oh, excuse me a second while I take my coat off. Oh, God, I'm glad to be back. Oh. Yep. I'm glad to be back, that's all I'm saying. Because it's, decent walk, but it's tiring. So don't forget to be tuning in tonight when we have the live entertainment, which I'll be filming. And right now I'm just about to upload the beach video, which I did when we were on the beach. And yep, hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you later. Thank you guys, and good night.